So hello guys, welcome to this quick video. So in this quick video, we'll be writing a simple program which will draw a flower. If you're ready, let's start coding. So we will be using PyCharm IDEA as you can see, and then here we have the project named flower. So if you're ready, now let's begin coding, and then we are going to import the turtle module which we will be using. And we are going to define a new function, with name flower, and then we are going to say for e in range, and then here we have 300. And then after we are gonna define the background color, which is black. So this is gonna be black, and then after this we are gonna use color cyan. Sorry for the typo. And then cyan. And then after this one we are gonna define the speed, which is 500, and then after this one we are gonna draw a circle. It's gonna be 190 minus I, and then again 90. And then another one we are gonna say left, and then it's gonna be 900, and then another circle we are gonna define it's gonna be 900, the same circle, the same parameters, and then afterwards we are gonna right left, and then it's gonna be 190. And then here we are gonna call our function flower, and then here we are gonna hide turtle, and we are gonna define main loop, declare main loop, and then press Ctrl plus Alt, and then run the script. So now as you can see, we have this flower which we have just drawn using the turtle. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good time. Bye.